Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to make part of an image darker in Photoshop. I apply step 1. See this image, double click and use marquee rectangle tool and click this icon. Use labels or curves. I use example use labels. Lock this layer and use dark mode. Okay, and step 2, unlock this image, then click this, right click, use gradient tool and select gradient option. Use this, double click, use black, click OK, then click darker. Again press Ctrl Z, select single. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.